Hey, let me show you how you can copy apps on Samsung A36 5G. So first of all, I'm going to show you that it really works. So take a look. Here I've got the secure folder where I just input second copy of every application. Like for example, as you can see here, I just copy my calendar application or for example, internet browser. And all of these icons I can still find outside the folder. Here, for example, I can find the internet browser. So if you want to use this secure folder and simply copy your apps, you have to go for security and privacy. And then you will have to scroll down and you have to search for more security settings. Now you'll have to go into secure folder. And when you open it for the first time, you will have to go through the creation process. So all you have to do is just to follow on-screen instructions. You will have to wait for like 30 seconds or even 1 minute for creation process, and then you will have to set up password into your secure folder. And after that, if you want to copy any of the application, you will have to open that secure folder, click on the plus, and now from all available list, just select the application that you want to copy. So for example, let's do this with, I don't know, maybe Photos application. I'm gonna click add, and as you can see, it appears just right here. Now, if I'm gonna open it, take a look. Here I have only one application and I don't have here any account. But if I'm gonna open this application on my normal apps, as you can see here, I can find access into all of my photos. So this is it.